Start. You don't need to wash the cabbage. Cut it in half. Check the size of your mouth and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Put the cut cabbage in a large bowl. Add salt, 1 spoon of sugar, water. Mix well so that it is well marinated. Marinate for 30 minutes. Mix well again and marinate for another 30 minutes. Wash the pickled cabbage and squeeze out the water with your hands. Disperse the remaining water to remove it. The less water there is, the longer it will taste delicious. Ajinomoto, sugar, 50 grams, chili powder, 50 grams, minced garlic, 1 spoon, fish sauce, 6 spoons, 60 milliliters. Add water, 3 spoons. Mix, mix, mix. Mix the pickled cabbage with the sauce that has been drained. Taste. Adjust the saltiness with fish sauce. Enough kimchi for a week is complete.